Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account from this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and let's scroll down to the actually very bottom and tap on users and accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our Google account added, so in order to remove it, just tap on it, click on this two dots icon and tap on remove account. Click on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm. And let's get back. And as you can see, the Google account has been deleted successfully. Now, in order to add new one, just tap on add account. Here, let's tap on Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, just tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here we've got the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added a Google account to this device. So that's all. This is how to add and remove a Google account from your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.